Slabbers 23214. Someone's winning a box of the very nice product. The one, two. Whoever's on top wins it. 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Yotes. 5 times. Yotes on top. Yotes are with Ryan Hines. Congratulations, Ryan. I'm not sure. Honestly. What? Why did you like that card so much? Do they? All right, here we go. All right. Lindblom, 299. Kopitar, 949 for the Kings. Ty Cartier, green for the Kraken, finite rookies. Brandon Shanahan, gold to 99 for the New Jersey Devils, Radiant Effects. Bobby the McMahon to 50 for the Maple Leafs. And an auto. Wow, that cool. Jake Neighbors is way cool there for the Blues. St. Louis Blues there. Picking up the holographs auto to 49. Oh, accidental reveal. Lustrous rookies to the Ducks. Nesterenko. Nikita Nesterenko to 125. To 999. Okay, pranked. No card. You just get a spacer. To 299, Bobby McMahon. Mika Zibanejad to 949 for the Rangers, and to 299 Damien Guru for the Wild. All right. Pretty likely. Like, he's a chance this year. Here we go. Depths of winner, Luke Hughes. Kirill Marchenko. Snowman, Mikko Rantanen. Green, Nakis. Our rookie Thrun. That's cool. What the hell's that? Brent Clark. Signature swatches, Zach Werenski. Purple, Mosada. That's another purple. Green, Kopitar, Taikache. Clayton Keller, that's a winner. Green, Simon Edmondson. Purple, Matty Benyaz. Stanislav Svozil. Levi Medellin. Purple, Luke Hughes. Green, Joel Erikssonek. Premier 709, Nestorenko for the Ducks. Green, Jack Hughes. Sub-Zero, Matthew Tkachuk. Green, Akito Hirose. Depth of winner, Patrick Lane. Green, Wyatt Johnson. Rookie, Coronado. Green to 299, David Gus, the wrong Blackhawk, but still nice to get a numbered card. Green of Cal Junrock, Hugh McGing. And then finally, I reckon we may have a... We do Frozen in Ice for the Red Wings, Simon Edmondson, Green, Palladier, Dustin Wolf. All right, who has the Red Wings? Who's got the Red Wings? That slap is done, by the way.